When Uber first expanded food delivery worldwide, there was a problem. Imagine, you're a food delivery guy, and you're on a two-wheeler during rush hour, picking up dahipuri at a street-side vendor in Delhi. Now, you're in Kyoto, Japan, lining up quietly at an introvert-friendly restaurant to pick up tonkatsu ramen. Now, you're trekking through snow to pick up poutine from a Tim Hortons in Ottawa, Canada. You pick up the order, thank you, arigato, dhanyavad, and you have to deliver it to your customer. 3 different vehicles, restaurants, and environments. How in the world can one single app encompass all of these different conditions? Now operating in over 6,000 cities across 45 countries, Uber Eats figured out pretty soon that the food delivery solution cannot be one size fits all. So, how do they do it? This story was inspired by Paul Smith, previously the senior design manager at Uber Eats. Oh, so we want to deliver food now. Easy. Why don't we use our existing GPS, slap on a menu screen, and call it a day? Okay.
2 days later.
Hey, how's your day? Good, good. How about yours? Ah! What? All of our users are complaining. Wait, who? The delivery users. They can't find parking spots near restaurants. Also, some people are delivering with cars, some with tuk-tuks, and some on horses. Also, some streets don't even have names. Ah, shit. The article did not mention specific Uber employees, but let's call these two Bob and Sophie, 2 UX designers. Order shadowing, fireside chats, and ground field research. First, they followed drivers on deliveries, went to restaurants during rush hour, and even sat in people's homes while they ordered dinner. Bro, I can't. I'm starving. Dude, we literally just ate. I'm getting tacos. Do y'all want? Yes. Next, they conducted fireside chats as a lighthearted way to interview users. Psst, we don't have money for a real fireplace. Who needs a real fireplace when we have rustic fireplace 4K with crackling logs and a cozy ambience to cure insomnia and stress 12 hours? Hi Tim, can you tell me your deepest, darkest secrets with regards to ordering food? Finally, they did this thing called the Walkabout program, which is essentially the world's greatest excuse to eat. Who would not do it? From Indian aloo parathas to Korean cabbage pancakes to French eclairs, they ate everything. And of course, they role-played delivery man, rode bikes in a snowstorm, just to fully immerse in the user experience. By testing Uber Eats in the wild, they found some pretty interesting challenges. 2 pain points. First, the driver, and second, the user. POV, you're a delivery guy. What do you think would be your greatest pain point? Oh, the commute to the restaurant. Nope. The suspiciously long orders? Nope, it's actually parking and locating the restaurant door. I mean, some restaurants might not even have doors. Bob and Sophie figured this out by following people around and thus made a driver app super specific that shows you step by step how to get to the restaurant and even where to park. Now, the user pain point. They realized that when people order food, they want to stock their food. So, Uber designers made a new iteration of the app that basically lets you follow your food from its birth to your stomach. Also, as of today, Uber Eats lets you see photos of your delivery and the model of the delivery car or the vehicle type, making everything detailed and tangible. This gives users a sense of security, and all of this design was not a coincidence. A 2017 study done in Korea looked at the top factors that contribute to customer satisfaction when it comes to a mobile food delivery app. In particular, 2 things were very important: informativeness and payment security. Users are happier when an app provides reliable information, in this case, detailed menus and delivery status. Uber Eats made sure that you knew the entire journey of your food. Now, how does Uber Eats figure out which restaurants to recommend the user? Let's say the user orders ramen once. If ranking is only based on relevance, then they would get ramen listings every time they open the app. They would get tired of ramen real quick. So, to prevent this, Uber Eats considered not only relevance, but also diversity, so eaters can explore different types of food. Okay, with those ratings in mind, let's look at the places you might like page. What you see here isn't displayed randomly. To choose which restaurant gets displayed first, second, third, and so on, Uber used a greedy algorithm.
Huh?
In a nutshell, this is where each stage involves the locally optimal solution, or the best restaurant at that moment. In other words, the greedy algorithm gives us a best to worst restaurant ranking in terms of relevance and diversity. Seems like Uber spent quality time not only on the UX design of the app, but also on the backend code. All over the world, someone needs to eat, and food is being delivered. But no matter where the food is delivered, from Delhi to Kyoto to Ottawa, one thing stays the same. People get hungry, and when people get hungry, they want to know where their food is. As we can see, scrappy research methods work really well. Be the driver, be the food order, be hungry, and whenever you have a chance to eat, eat.